Imagine waking up one morning and looking at the sky only to see not one, but two suns shining above Earth. One sun is rising from the east, while the other is spreading its light from the west. Both are pouring their full heat and radiation onto our planet. At first, this scene might look beautiful, but very quickly it would become terrifying. According to science, if this actually happened, nearly 90% of life on Earth could be destroyed. Only a small fraction of humans might survive. The real question is, why would this happen? And who would be those few survivors? The idea of two suns is often seen in science fiction movies and stories, but it is not completely imaginary. In the universe, there are real systems known as binary star systems, where two stars exist together. However, the presence of stars does not automatically mean life can exist. Earth's system is extremely delicate. The amount of heat and light we receive from one sun is perfectly balanced. Even a small change in this balance could put life in danger. Now, imagine what would happen if there were two suns instead of one. Complete disruption of the day and night system. If Earth had two suns, the first system to collapse would be the day and night cycle. Night might last only 1 or 2 hours, or it could disappear completely. When one sun sets, the other might rise immediately, making darkness very rare. Due to constant daylight, humans, animals, and plants would lose their natural biological rhythm. Sleep cycles would be destroyed, affecting mental health, memory, and emotional stability. Children's growth and the health of elderly people would suffer severely. Extreme rise in global temperature. Extreme heat would be the most dangerous consequence of having two suns. Even with one sun, glaciers are melting and heat waves are becoming more frequent. With two suns, Earth's temperature would rise far beyond safe limits. Ice in polar regions would melt rapidly, causing sea levels to rise. Many regions would become uninhabitable. Humans would be forced to migrate to colder areas or live underground to escape the unbearable heat. Oceans and weather in a state of chaos. Excessive heat would completely disturb Earth's climate system. Weather patterns would become unpredictable. One day there could be extreme heat, the next day heavy rainfall, and then powerful storms. Rising sea levels would flood coastal cities, submerging them underwater. Agriculture would almost collapse, as some areas would receive too much water, while others would face severe droughts. Food shortages and hunger would become major global problems. Effects on the human body and health. The human body is not designed to handle such intense heat and radiation. With two suns, ultraviolet radiation would increase drastically. Skin cancer would become extremely common, eyesight would weaken, and DNA damage would occur. Only those humans could survive who used advanced technology for protection, such as shielded cities, underground colonies, or special protective suits. A surprising twist: what if both suns were placed at a perfectly balanced distance? However, if we imagine a scenario where both suns were placed at a perfectly balanced distance, life might still be possible. In such a case, a new but stable system of heat and light could exist. The sky would appear incredibly beautiful, with two sunsets painting it in different colors. New forms of seasons and possibly new types of life could develop. But such a perfect balance is extremely rare and is considered a miracle even in the vast universe. All of this clearly shows that life on Earth is not an accident, but an extraordinary balance. One sun at the perfect distance, providing just the right amount of heat and light. If this system were even slightly disturbed, humans would not exist today, nor would we be questioning the universe. Message. If humans ever reach a planet with two suns in the future, surviving there would be a massive challenge. It might only be possible with advanced technology. For now, Earth remains the best and safest home for life. For more interesting and mind-blowing facts like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to explore the universe in depth, don't forget to visit our long videos, where we take you on a complete universe trip.